This 5-minute solution will show you how to hide post on a Facebook page. First of all, we need to switch to the page. So tap on menu and tap on this arrow icon and select your Facebook page. Now go to your page profile and tap on manage post and select published, and here you will get all of your published posts. Now select those posts you want to hide and tap on edit, and here tap on hide from profile. And remember one thing, that after hiding the post, this post may still appear in other places. So tap on it, tap on hide. So this is how we can hide post on a Facebook page. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.